I thought I was losing my mind when the chart started predicting events, until it predicted my own death. I started day trading last year. Like everyone else, I had this dream of beating the system, making enough from the screen to quit my job. I wasn't an expert, but I wasn't clueless either. I stuck to my setups, kept my emotions in check, and slowly built a routine. The strange part began about a month ago when I stumbled across a trading Discord with barely any members, but the channel had a pinned file that caught my attention. A custom trading view script with no description, just a link and the words. It was called Dead Candle Society. I thought the name was just a clever joke. Traders romanticize losses after all, until the chart predicted a sudden candle drop seconds before it happened. I watched it live, used this only during market hours, never after. I downloaded it. Stupid, I know. The script wasn't flashy. It just added these thin, pulsing red lines above and below the price. I thought it was just another resistance support tool. I stopped using indicators and just followed the red lines. It wasn't lag, it knew. Over the next few days, I tested it obsessively. It predicted 5 major moves in a row, entries, exits, reversals, sometimes within milliseconds. But the chart showed a sudden, steep wick down like a flash crash. I thought it was a glitch. The money came fast, uncomfortably fast. But then things got weird. Sure enough, the spike came 15 minutes later after a surprise rate announcement. On Wednesday at 2:41 p.m., a candle printed that had no reason to be there. Price had been consolidating. But 10 minutes later, the exact same candle happened on the real chart. I checked the replay. The wick had appeared before the data. The next day, it showed a spike in SPY, something that hadn't happened yet. It wasn't a trading tool anymore. It was predicting the future. Nervously, I thought it was a virus or a prank. I posted about it in the Dead Candle Society chat. No one responded. I sent a DM to the person who originally posted the script. He deleted his account. The next morning, the script didn't load. Instead, my chart just showed one single line of text across every asset. I kept thinking maybe it was metaphorical. Maybe I'd lose everything. Maybe it was just my brain glitching out. Your last candle is drawing. I laughed until I noticed the date on the chart's right axis, July 15th, 2025, 9:40 p.m. That was tonight. The chart showed a final candle, a tall red one, ending abruptly in a hard cutoff, like something had stopped permanently. Under it, my P&L tab said exit. -1 life. I closed trading view. Heart shut down, but I couldn't let it go. What does a chart predicting death even mean? I opened it again at 9:38 p.m. just to prove to myself I was being paranoid. Just the faint hum of my monitor. I didn't turn around. I just shut my laptop and ran out into the hallway barefoot. The candle started forming in real time. I stared at the screen, watching it draw just like every other price bar. It ticked downward, downward. 9:41 p.m. I got a text. Unknown number. Look behind you. One last trade. I froze. I live alone. There were no footsteps, no sound, nothing. I'm writing this now from my car. It's 10:07 p.m. I haven't gone back inside yet. The app won't close. Even on my phone, the chart still shows the same candle. Now there's a new line forming. It's red, shorter, but it's drawing again. And this time, it's not stopping.